number patterns. First is triangles are given. This is first, second and third. So let's draw number of shapes and number of line segments. For one shape, that is one triangle, we need how many line segments? 1, 2 and 3. So for one shape, 3 line segments are required. For two shapes, that is 1 and 2. So how many line segments are required? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So when there are two shapes, 5 line segments are required. For 3 shapes, that is this one. So how many line segments are required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So when there are 3 shapes, we need 7 line segments. And what if we have 4 shapes? So how many line segments will be required? For 4, we will require 9. For 5, we require 10 and so on. So in general, number of line segments required to form n shapes. This will be given by 2n plus 1. So for n shapes, number of line segments will be 2n plus 1. We can verify it also, that is putting n is equal to 3. For n is equal to 3, in this we have 2 into 3 plus 1. So 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1, that is 7. Similarly, for n is equal to 5. That is 2 into 5 plus 1, that is 11. So in general, for number of line segments required to form n shapes will be 2n plus 1. Second is square. So number of shapes and number of line segments. So first, for this square, there is one shape. So how many line segments are there? There are 4. Then there are 2 shapes, that is the second one. So in this we have 7 line segments. Next is this third one, 3. For this there are 10 line segments. So if this goes on for 4 shapes, so number of shapes 4. So how many line segments do we need? That is 13. So in general, number of line segments required to form n shapes is given by 3n plus 1. So again, let's verify. For n is equal to 2, this will be 3 into 2 plus 1, that is 7. For n is equal to 4, this will be 3 into 4 plus 1, that is equal to 12 plus 1, 13. Now, how many line segments do we need for n is equal to 10? Now, if there are 10 shapes, so how many line segments do we need? For n is equal to 10 plus 1, this is 30 plus 1 is equal to 31. So in general, this is the formula, that is number of line segments to require to form n shapes is 3n plus 1.